Hi y'all, Susan here. Today I'll be showing you how I made this simple and elegant Christmas card featuring a glittery embossed snowflake. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the card topper with Perfect Pearls by Ranger. This is in the color Perfect Pearls. And then I'm going to dry it with my heat gun. I really love the way that this gives the cards a really pretty shimmery glimmeriness to them. It's really pretty. It doesn't really show up on film, but it's really pretty in person. So next I'm going to add a white glittery ribbon to the card topper. I bought the ribbon at my local Dollar Tree just this past week. They have all of their Christmas ribbons out now, so go stock up. Then I'm going to add a white circle that I have embossed with a snowflake with a pretty glimmer embossing powder. I attach it with pop dots to add dimension to the card. So now I'm going to stamp the sentiment onto the card using my Stamparatus. And finally, I'm going to attach the card topper to the card base with my double-sided tape. And then we will be done. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. If you make a card with this video as an inspiration, I would love to see it. Please share a link to your project in the comments below or tag me on social media at Grace Journaling. I look forward to seeing what y'all are doing. Full descriptions and supplies can be found on my blog at www.gracejournaling.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.